everyone. Today I'll show you how to integrate by parts using tabular method. So the problem that we have is the integral of x secant x tangent x dx. The first thing that we have to know is that we usually apply this method when we have two separate distinct functions. And in our problem we have x as one function and secant x tangent x as the other function. Now to apply this method we draw a table and take the derivative of one part of the function, which is x, and then we find the integral for the other part, which is secant x tangent of x. Now the derivative of x is 1, and the integral of secant x tangent x, as we know, is secant of x. Now signs will always change from positive to negative, and if we have many things below that, we will just have it repeated, plus minus plus minus. Now we'll multiply across the table, so we will have x secant of x minus. We usually take the integral of the last row, so we will have the integral of secant of x dx. Now secant of x dx is kind of a little bit different from what we are dealing with in here. So secant of x is not gonna be 1 over cosine. We'll just keep it this way, and we will multiply it with a quantity that will give us 1. So if we multiply it with secant of x plus tangent of x over secant x plus tangent of x, it's like we are multiplying with 1. We usually do this to make it a little bit easier. So now let's distribute the secant of x. So we'll have secant square of x plus tangent of x secant of x over secant x plus tangent x dx. Now, because we have a division, we can use u substitution. And we will take the denominator as the u, and then find the du, which is secant x tangent x, the derivative of secant x, plus secant square of x, which is the derivative of tangent of x. Now we'll just substitute for u, so 1 over u du, and then, as we know, 1 over u is the natural log for absolute value of u, plus c. Now substitute the u to its value, so equals to ln natural log, which is ln, absolute value of secant x plus tangent of x plus c. Now returning to our problem, we have x secant x minus, as we found the integral of secant of x dx, which is natural log of absolute value of secant of x plus tangent of x plus c. I hope that was helpful. Thank you very much.